Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand to our candidates in their formal wear and evening gowns.
And of course, we would like to say thank you to Pagandahan Moy, Wardrobe Sash and Events. Of course, by Mr. John Kevin Jelly, palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you so much for the beautiful gown and the formal wear of our candidates.
Now we are ready to give our second set of special awards, starting with
our SB Choice Award. And the winner will receive a sash and a cash. And they are Ginoo 6, they go Perez.
SK Council determined the choice according to the candidates' participation and discipline. And the SK Choice Award will receive a sash and a cash. And they are Ginoo 1, John Ray. Choice Award, Bini Bini is Bini Bini 10, Kyla May, the Chavez.
Alright, so before we proceed to our next award, of course, Georgie, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the different SK Shermans na kasama po natin. We are here tonight. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Good evening po sa inyo.
The SK Sherman and Sherwoman of Binangonan.
At sana partner makasama tayo sa barangay nila.
Why not?
Nakasama na tayo kaya palangoy kay SK Sherman, Wilmark Medalya, ang sikla.
Yes, and of course, we would like to acknowledge also Consihal Jerome Antiporda, who's here tonight.
Good evening po, Consihal. Partner, alam mo, gabi-gabi nandito siya. Parang may bahay ka, Cons, dito eh. Bahay ka ba dito?
And of course, syempre, ang inyong pong kapitan. Palakpakan naman natin Kapitan Leilani Pereira kasama mga kagawad. Maraming salamat po.
Syempre, partner, ang magpapasaya sa ating gabi.
Yes.
Palakpakan natin SK Chairman SK Fan Moses Herrera.
Moses, may pamalit pa kaming dalawa. Ano? So, depende kasi yan sa abot ng panahon.
Oo, sa abot ng panahon.
And of course, partner, now we have the best informal wear and evening gown. The candidates who best express class and regality. And for our best informal wear is Ginoon, number 6.
And our best in long gown is Binibini. Binibini 14, Hana Irish.
Thank you, candidates.
See you on the next segment.
Alright, and of course, Ginoon Binibini Mambog would like to thank our sponsors and partners. Please watch this.